Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome in. Welcome back to another stream, guys. In FP today, I don't feel like we missed out on a ton, but we're here now. Welcome in. I slept in a little bit. It's all good. It's okay to sleep in sometimes, man, as a trader. So it's all good. Sometimes you might get lucky and sleep in and sleep right through some horrible price action. What's good, Jake? Welcome in, man. Yeah, I just woke up like 30 minutes ago. All good. I think we missed. Looking back, I think maybe if we did trade this, we would have gotten chopped. So maybe not. Who knows? I don't know. But we're here. What's good, Bowser? Damn, man, audio is always low. Okay, give me a second. Give me a second. I don't know if this is gonna mess up the Okay, hold on, dude. I might be able to fix this. Let's try this trick right here. Let's try this. Let's go sound. Let's go. See, it's turned all the way up, man. Turn all the way up. See the volume? Let me try something else. Let me try something else. All right. Chad, does this look like I can turn the volume up from this panel? I don't actually see an option to turn the volume up. I know this is gain. This is input meter. There's not a volume button. I can turn it up on Streamlabs, I guess. Might have to do that. Or do I need to turn a dial on my actual audio interface? Do I need to turn a dial on my audio interface? Do I need to turn the output dial up? Let me know. We'll get it fixed. We'll get it fixed. Trust y'all. Gain is volume? I thought gain was how much it like cracks and pops. Yeah, phantom power's on. All right, turn the gain up, they say. Is the gain the one dial? Turn the gain up. Gain is up. Gain is now up by 1 tick. Any better? Thanks for helping me troubleshoot this, guys. I know it's a pain in the ass. Trust me. But like, this was $700 worth of audio tech. I can't just like give up on it. I unplugged it, replugged it, turned the gain up by a little bit. Yo, what's good? By the top. I like that name, man. More than 1 tick. Well, I mean 1 tick. I mean like I don't want to blast it. Like we're almost at the top. 0. Oh, turn it up so your levels are just under red. Should I go 6? Test. This is 6. I can't go much higher than this. Cannot go much higher than this. I just got it. It's a new, everything's new on it. So like, that's why I'm thinking it's not a cord issue. Turn it up from your interface. Okay, that's the 1 dial, right? All right, I turned it up a little bit. Turned it up a little bit. Turned it up on my audio interface on the dial. See, now it's hitting red. There you go, perfect. Okay, dude. Perfect. I mean, it's a mystery. I don't know. All right. We're hitting red though. Should I turn down a little bit? Maybe I'll just keep it. Maybe I'll keep it right out there in front of me. Okay, appreciate y'all. All right, having said that, let's try to get what's hitting red? On my Streamlabs, it keeps hitting red, but I mean, if it sounds good to y'all. All right, man. Yeah, let's look at these markets. We are so damn close to all-time highs that it just kind of feels tricky to try to fight it. Okay, yeah, it's the SM7DB, but I guess we're good now. Have y'all gotten any trades on today? I haven't taken anything. I didn't take anything last night. Didn't take anything this morning. See if this structure can kind of hold at 840s. The buyers can respect 840, defend 840, and if we can move back through 25,900. You would think closing in on all-time highs like this should be kind of just a micro pullback, not very deep, and then we move higher. And as long as the price action starts to kind of chillax a little bit, we don't get any crazy rejections from up here, I'm cool to just kind of take scalp long trades as we keep pushing high day here, if that's what it's going to be. I prefer trading the 150s, I think. I think I prefer trading the 150s. It gives you more drawdown, right? That's what's important. Gives you more drawdown. Oh wow, big break to the upside, 588. I think it might just be a dip by day, chat. You just buy the dips, trail it, let it trend to the upside. I think we're just closing in on a Friday after NFP couldn't sell the market off. Like, we're just gonna coast into the all-time high, it seems like. I think it'd be a W if we can just catch like maybe a 20-30 point trend to the upside today. So we'll see. We'll see if we can do our best not to just buy at high day right here and actually get a decent retracement entry. Might be a good idea to use some EMAs today. If we're going to really be slow and controlled, kind of holding structure and moving higher all day, might be a good idea to implement EMAs today. Take dip buys off your EMAs as long as we're respecting it. Right? Because look at that. You had that move. Take a buy there, take a buy there. Breaks, reclaims. Okay, take a buy. Same on the way down. I think we might be trying to take dip buys off EMAs today. I think that's the plan. All right, high day right here in NQ. What is 500 takes on TradingView? You know what, man? TradingView does not have. They want you to pay like $200 a month for the tick chart. Kind of sucks. I think there is some free platforms out there that will give you tick charts. You just gotta go do some digging, but you can't trade off of it. But yeah, they want to charge like $200. Also, I feel like the data on TradingView seems a bit slow. Like I feel like these candles, it's just like kind of slow. You know what I mean when I say that? It doesn't look live. It almost looks a little like you know what I mean? This candle's not, I don't know how to explain it, but it seems I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. But I've noticed that sometimes. Yeah, the refresh. Okay, yeah. It feels a lot different than using Project X. In fact, yeah, I mean, it's actually so much of an issue that as a scalp trader, it's probably a pretty crappy platform to be trading on, to be honest with you. It's a really good charting platform, but I don't think it's a great trading platform. In fact, I've never realized how big of an issue it is, but I should probably move away from trading on it, to be honest. It just like you're not able to react quite as quick because you're not getting the information as quick. All right, let's see. Let's try to get a dip buy. I don't want to buy high day here, but I would love to get into this trend a little bit. See, we just can melt up to 26,000. Oh, there's a little EMA dip buy there. What's the issue with TradingView? I just feel like the data is just a little slow. It's not something I've really ever paid attention to, but whenever you like really look at them, it's just not. Like I can see this candle move every order on this candle. I know it's because it's a tick chart, but even on a time-based chart, you know what I mean? It's just, I know what y'all know what I mean. Just go look at them side by side. Damn, bro. Right off the 20, right there. 8.99 back to a new high day. How do we get into the markets? See, this is a situation here that maybe I take a dip buy before the high day break and I get told, oh, you're buying it too high. You're buying the highs. But we just go higher, you know? Yeah, 26K is on deck for sure. Yeah. We'll look for an alternative. I don't know if I'll still be able to copy trade, but it is pretty crappy. It's hard to really trade on there with like the 1 minute. I feel like it's very bad. Now, if you're taking like a longer hold time trade off the hourly or something, it's just fine, but it's a little slow. And I feel like if I bought the tick chart for $200 a month on TradingView, it would not be a good idea because it would probably piss me off because it's still probably going to be slow data. Any trade ideas, Chad? Are we kind of just hopping in here as long as we're holding EMAs? Like, buy the damn dip? The buying is resilient right now. There's really no stop in this market. Blew one of the TPT Pro Plus accounts. That's a hard stop for me. Ooh, tough. Tough, tough, tough. Hopefully you took some payouts from it, though. Speaking of TP2, dude, I kind of want to try to get a couple more of them. If there's one firm I would love to like urgently try to get back on my trade copier platform, it's definitely TPT. I want the 5 fundeds. I want the 5 live accounts. Yeah, we don't want to buy the high a day, but at the same time, this trend is just so strong. I wonder if we start to go into melts up mode here. What I mean by that is very, now that we've actually cleared high of day and we're kind of getting out of some of that, pulling away from structure, intraday structure, I feel like maybe this just trends with very limited retracements all the way into last week's high, then maybe all-time highs. Maybe not all-time highs today, definitely not on an NQ, but maybe ES. I know ES is close. Shit, yeah, it is. Shit, yeah, it is. Where? Nice, mic volume up. Yep, y'all hooked it up. Feels like this whole week was choppy and finally hitting a trending day, buy and hold. Yeah, this whole week was like crap. Just for us to like do this melt up, like gap up in the overnight, melt up on an FP. It's just, it was so choppy this week. I mean, this week was so choppy. Choppy. I mean, dude, we just tried to like get 10 points right here. Let's try to get 9. I just want to try something to see, just to scratch my ego. Let's try to get 10 points of risk for 10. Let's try to like do some one-to-one trades off the EMAs. I just want to kind of see. I want to see what I can get away with today. I want to see what I can get away with today. Oh yeah, we're running right down to the stop now. Now that we get long, it's gonna pull back. I'm gonna have to bail on this. We're about to get my stopper in. Ugh. Best top buyers in the game. Best top buyers in the game. All right, let's chill. we're the best top buyers in the game. Nobody does it better. I don't want to buy this high. I kind of want to. I'm gonna take the next dip buy opportunity as well. Let's see what it looks like. See if we can get some wick stuff 900. So I'm gonna try it again. Just want to see what I can do today off of this price action. My theory is that we can just kind of melt up with pretty limited pullback. So if I can build some confidence around that, I can get myself into that mindset that we can take some good trades. Yeah, this is. I'm gonna put the stop here. Let's try this again. See, we just keep melting up here, because if we do, I can take a base hit here, build the confidence, get myself in the right mental state to trade this kind of price action, then we can hopefully keep taking scalp trades through the highs. Maybe use more limit orders today than anything, probably. What's the question about TBT low? Gotta go. Good luck, Gail. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Where the fuck are the buyers at? Fucking nothing but buying the past hour and a half. As soon as I want to start getting involved, we're just fucking dipping. What's happening? Why not wait till the pullback? I don't really think we're pulling. The idea was I don't really think we're going to see a lot of pullback opportunities anymore. Now that we're just getting like a clean trend to the upside, kind of into a decided high of the all-time highs, I didn't really think we would see a lot of pullbacks, but obviously that might be incorrect thinking. I thought it was just trend, consolidate, trend higher, consolidate, high day break, continue, seeing that kind of price action, but I'm obviously getting my ass kicked. Okay, let's wait. Just to go. Like, where do I need my fucking stops to not get taken out here? Son of a bitch. Fucker. Now wait, it'll pump. I'm sure it will. It's like, what the fuck? Shit's making me want to. I guess I'm running my stops too tight, but like at the same time, what the fuck? What the fuck? Excuse my language, but like I'm already a little bit annoyed today. Down $300 trying to take a fucking dip buy, and all we've done is go sideways. Shit's got me annoyed already, chat. Already. You just fucking buy that off 898? I mean, it gets to a point where if we can't catch this trade eventually, it's like just give up, I guess, on the day. Truthfully, I mean, if we break back under 890s and go lower, it's, you know, we're pulling back into, it's just not, just be yucky. Excuse me. Why is the thing set to 100 MNQ? What the fuck? Never in my life have I traded 100 MNQ. You sound like me when I'm about to go on tilt. Well, I feel like my idea is right, but I'm getting my stops ran on some bullshit. That's just what's making me annoyed. Jeff feel? And then this doesn't even feel like a dent. I don't even know how the fuck am I down $400. I took 2 dip buys with like a 10-point stop. We're ripping 15 points higher, and I'm only up a fraction of how much I'm down. It's horrible. Like, how does that math even work? How am I down 380 bucks? What did we do? We took 2 what did we do? Like, how am I getting gypped right now? How do you see the executions on this shit? How do you see the executions here? Like, where did we get? Okay, so I bought 6. My first trade was buy 6 at, can we hold 20s, please? We bought 6 at 619, or sorry, 919, and we sold it for like, okay, 10-point loss. Then we bought 914, and I guess I got out at 898. So we're like talking about maybe 25 points. We're down 25 points, maybe. The math ain't mathing. The math might be mathing, but I still feel like I'm getting this shit into the stick right here. I would love to see us just break a high and not pull all the way back. The fees. It might be the fees too. Fees on a live account are insane. I think to open 10 micros on a live account costs about 15 bucks. Probably more. It's like kind of wild actually. Love that song. I'm not even playing it. How do you know what I'm singing? This sucks, dude. This sucks. I'm gonna take this low out at 919. That looks weak. See how heavy the selling gets under there. I'm singing along to a song that I'm listening to. I really hope we don't get stuck in a range here trying to catch this higher. That would suck. If I have 5 XFAs and traded 30 days in profit, only one will go live and the others will what will happen to them? The profits from them should get allocated into whatever your live account transfer balance is, but at the same time, I guess you're talking about Top Step with your XFAs? Guys, this looks like, I'm not trying to overanalyze, but we keep seeing ugly ass wicks off of 20s. There's not a lot of room before we break 18s, and then if we do, it's like, I don't know what might happen. Just gonna try to be patient. I would love to lock in some green after some crappy L's right there, trying to catch that dip and that dip. Yeah, this just keeps pushing on 918 here. Damn. Damn. Did you stream this morning? No, I just got on, man. I slept in a little bit. Would you move stop to break even? I wouldn't, because we're just in chop right now. That's like, if we actually get some extension here, that would be beautiful. But of course, it seems like I'm about to get stuck in a 5-minute, just a choppy 5-minute range here. If we don't start to see a wick off this low, then a push through 930s, 940s. We're getting stuck in chop. We're getting stuck in chop. This sucks. Hudson Westbrook, yeah, he's good. He's coming to the rodeo in a couple months down here. No, damn it. I actually get so much OCD when that camera goes off, or like I just get annoyed by the imperfection of that camera going off. Damn, dude. We're like just, I don't know. I mean, this is kind of what I was thinking, like a kind of slow and controlled bleed up, so I can't be getting annoyed that we're not urgently pushing highs, but it is frustrating to sit in a trade like this when it's a fraction of my draw, like what I've lost today. Seen a ton of wicks off of 920s. We got to break higher here, otherwise think just see, maybe it's see profit, take profit to the long side. Like if you're in a long, you're on the right side of the trend, see it, take it. But maybe don't hold for breaks because this is it sucks. Oh, this sucks so bad. I actually don't know how I'm already down 400 bucks. I approach this so like dipping my toe in the water and I'm somehow down 400 bucks. Now this trade's red. Why are in small compared to account size? Because these are live accounts and the goal is to preserve them and take withdrawals from them and not try to be a hero. Be consistent. As strong as this market seems, I'm not realizing any of that strength when I'm in these trades. I don't know how it's happening. When I'm in the trade, it feels like the weakest market, but when I'm looking at it outside of the trade, I'm seeing a strong market. How's that happening? This doesn't look good. This feels like it's just gonna rip 900s. I mean, look, I'm only using 6 micros. I'm down 400 real dollars right now. It's not fun for anybody. I don't like the price action moving back into this low at 898. Yeah, this looks like this doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Save me, Lord. Save me, Lord. Help me. Help me, help me, help me. I just wanted a little piece of the pie. I just wanted a little piece of the pie. Dude, I'm gonna tell you what though. I'm gonna say this. This is one of those markets that can get really ugly because this trend seems so strong, right? Like the selling's very weak today. If we were to take this low, I would still be wanting to take a dip buy. If they really wanted to tear some asses apart, like just let this thing melt down with like low volume, like weak selling, and let people keep dip buying and getting their lows, like getting their stops taken out. Those days get really ugly. Because it just seems so obvious to go long today, and if that doesn't work, it's like, what is there to be done? Just keep trying to take dip buys, and then we just keep melting down. Be good to limit the amount of trades I take today. This is rough. I don't know. This is rough. We're falling off this resistance pretty heavy. Just can't get above it. 915's rejecting. I think our stop's gonna get ran here. Yeah, this is not looking good. I want to try to mitigate some of the damage and just cut it. This is okay. This market's not as easy as I thought it would be coming into the morning. Let's see what happens. I don't know. I don't know. The only logical thing seems to be a dip buy, but if we're not going to hold, like we're not getting like clean continuation. We keep breaking and then setting a range and pulling back heavy. I don't know. I can't even believe I'm down $500 on that. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. This could get real ugly real quick if I keep trying to buy this dip and we don't see higher on it. I'm trying to think what I want to do. Maybe you get in one micro at a time. Every 10 points we dump, try to build a position off the lows, but this is not looking like my cup of tea here. Just short it? Fuck that. I'm not going to short it. Never. Y'all short it. I'm not going to short it. Looks like it's going to dump. It does look like that. Do you have a contract rule? Yeah, you have a contract rule in a live account, kind of. It was a good cut because now we're dumping through the 890s. It's just, there's no buyers. There's no buyers here anymore. What are we doing? What are we doing? This is craziness. I don't want to be too reactive. This feels a little trappy. It feels a little trappy. Hourly's not looking good. This feels heavy now. It's like melting down. This is what I was saying, like They make it a very obvious trend to the upside, and then if we just keep melting down right here with low, weak, kind of weak selling candles, keep starting to look good for a dip buy, and then like it just doesn't get any buying. We just keep melting down. That's where shit gets really ugly. I'm kind of curious if that's what it's going to be right now. Kind of curious if that's what it's going to be right now. That would mean we shit around here for a little bit. We see 886 and lower. Some nice volume though. Could be totally wrong. Probably am, but I don't want to be reactive. Like I don't want to be buying this 15 points higher off that low. See, even that though, 901, 893. It's not really holding. That move is not really holding. And it's back down. I don't want to short it. I think we're way too close to all-time highs to try to short it. But at the same time, this feels like it's about to just screw over a lot of long bias traders right here. They just keep trying to buy the dip. Yeah, this is... I've seen days like this before, and I remember them. I remember days like these because days like these fucking... I've blown accounts on days like this when it's just really slow, methodical selling after like what seems to be a very obvious trend higher. You keep trying to buy the dip, stopped out, buy the dip, stopped out, because it seems like there's nothing else to do but buy the dip. Days like this are burned into my memory. I could be totally wrong. We could just hold here and go back to highs, but we'll see. I want to be cautious because days like this can be slippery. They can be slippery. Slippery slope. Buys are back. I don't know. I don't know. Just gonna wait a second. I don't want to rush in anything. I'm already down $400 quick with the quickness. Gold's trying to come down and test this 4509. What's silver doing? Have not looked. Buy the dip and hold day. Yeah, that's easier said than done for me right now. I guess that was a good spot, 86. Can't chase it now. That's what I came into the morning thinking, but and I was trying to build like a I was trying to build some mental confidence around that idea, trying to take a dip buy or two, right? Get my groove on with like the okay, I can trade this price action. Let's buy it off the EMAs. Let's sell the highs. Buy, sell. Then I took 2 or 3 chops. Probably had stops way too tight, but I took 2 or 3 chops, and now it feels like my mental idea of that is in the dumpster. So I'm battling that right now. But yeah, that's kind of the idea I had too. Like kind of buy and hold. Retracements are going to be few and far between. Look to just buy the strength. I think it's important because like every day's the price action, you have to really build like a mental confidence around the price action you're gonna be trading that day. So I literally was trying to get a couple in. Like let me buy this low, see some strength, and build that confidence up, and then we'll start looking to get into the groove. And I just got chopped to shit. Now then you see me second guess myself now that we're down here that it's not gonna get bought. So that's the mental bet, dude. That is the mental battle of trading. Nobody really talks about. That's more than the strategy or anything else. It's like for me, it's important that I try to build a mental idea around a trade and prove to myself that it can work. Kind of, you know what I mean? Get some confidence. Confidence is everything in trading. If you don't have confidence, you don't have anything. That's important. So yeah, right. I mean, you could see that in real time. We came in. You guys, if anybody was here when we just started, I was talking about that. I was trying to build a mental game plan and realize some green so that I can get comfortable. Then this low gets taken, and it's like, yeah, we just start second guessing. Yeah, right now I just need to chill out. In a perfect world, I could take this dip buy, but it's not a perfect world. And we can, maybe realize some green. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we're dip buyers. Let's go. But no, I took losses on dip buys in somehow a market that's more or less sideways, and now my mental is all fricked up. Yep, I hear that, Catalyst. That's what I'm talking about. Oh shit, what do we do here, man? If we could break, like if we could actually break out of this range into the 40s, 50s, that would be incredible. But it's so high right now. It's so high to try to take this dip buy. VWAP? Yeah, VWAP does too. VWAP's not really in play right now. VWAP is all the way down here at 670s. You can take this little micro pullback at 915. Hold on. We buy the top. We don't buy the top. Not if it keeps going higher, chat. VWAP's in play? VWAP's like 200 points under us. 300 points under us. I think we get the push to 26,000 stay. It's just how do we get there? How do we get there without getting stopped out? Don't run a stop. Yeah, I mean, if we didn't run a stop, we'd be back to break even right now. This is unusual. I don't know. I feel like I'm... What if you could try to buy this off 908? Stop it out if we break under 900 with strength. All right, let's get involved here. Kind of holding this range to see a high day break. I'm at 6 at 907. Stop it out if we break back into the 880s. Into this low, probably. If we come up and test 920s again, we might have a chance to add. All right, let's see what we can get here. If anything at all. So you're taking those paper cuts, man. I need this shit to get all the way to 950 just to get break even. Oh, the paper cuts I took today are so annoying. That is rough. I need 50 points out of this to get break even on the day. All right, we're gonna retest now. Might be interested in trying to tighten this way up, add maybe at like, can we get 17 and then just see maybe immediately some buying off of 17s here? I'm gonna stop break even if we do get, okay, so I'm filled, break even, and we need to go now. Okay, so I'm break even on that. Pull back to 912 would kill my trade. There goes 920s. Can we run 920s here? Do we have the volume to see the breakout? Okay. So 927, they just got pinned down. What is that about? I'm gonna realize some profits here to build my damn confidence back up. Plus, I think we'll see another entry. This is kind of not seeing a lot of follow through at 920. I think we'll get another entry. Just trying to build some confidence. Because right now I don't have any confidence. Let's build it. Let's build it. Decent little, I guess, move back to the highs. See if we can get another entry. Low 900s, I guess. Or maybe we just got out right before the big rip. We'll see. In QBuy, I mean, as long as we can kind of keep holding this range and testing highs, I think there's probably decent setups to get long. I'm glad we took that off because, yeah, 920s is just not really breaking out. Yo, I appreciate everybody hanging out here, man. Can you please, if you're enjoying the stream, run up the likes? Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I said I would maybe want to be a buyer again at like 900s. I'm okay with maybe trying to take a little bit of a range trade if we can see some strength off of 900s back to 920s, cover again. Maybe bounce off some of these wicks down here. Like button, appreciate it, appreciate it. Check it on gold, see if it try to take out 410s or 510s. Not really. I like that rejection on gold from 520s to 515s there. EQ's nice rip back to 920. That might have been our dip buy right there. Yo, woke up late? Yeah, me or you? I did wake up a little bit late. I did. Time to start. I usually try to start at the New York Open at 8:30 Central, but I slept in a little bit late. Definitely. How many cons is your max? I mean, on my top step account, it's 7 right now. Minis or micros. Minis or micros. I'd like to see some buying off of 900s again. See if we can finally catch the break. That would be ideal. Break a high day. Some solid structure on the 5-minute as long as we can kind of hold 900s, keep leaving wicks. Say the PA is harder. I think it's been a little tricky. Yeah, it's been different. I think it's been really choppy. More than anything, choppy. Gold and NQ trying to kind of tease the sell-off here. I don't mind gold for like a quick move under 509. I just don't know how much it's going to work with me. I'm not going to touch it. I don't like that bounce. Upsinking on silver? Nice, man. Nice. I would love to have some TPT accounts and trade silver with them. That would be insane. I need to get some TPT accounts. Should I get some TPT accounts to trade on the stream? Why TPT? Because you can take uncapped payouts with TPT pretty much. That's why. And silver's so volatile, and it's the barrier to entry to buy a funded account with TPT is like $100, $200, and people are catching like $30,000 trades on silver. So it just seems like that ROI right now in this environment is just worth it, right? It's worth it to try to trade a funded account, especially one that doesn't have a payout cap. Like even the MyFunded Futures Pro accounts, there's no better time than right now to try to, you know what I mean? If you're going to be a more or less like a, what's the word I'm looking for? If you're going to try to be aggressive and, you know what I mean? Silver is a great environment to do it in. There's not a lot of, market doesn't always give us that opportunity, right? Like silver eventually won't be like that. So as of now, it's good. It's not good. It's not good a degen, maybe. If you want to be a risk taker, I guess. But for me, as on my live account, it's just not worth trading silver on my live accounts. I have DLLs. It's way too volatile. It's not worth it for me to trade silver. It's scary. But if you have a funded account that costs you 100 or 200 bucks, and you have the ability to run that shit up and take a huge payout, why not try silver out? It's a great time to try. I wouldn't trade it unless I was on a funded account that I can take a big payout from. Gold short. It's about to settle. I don't know. It seems so hesitant to break the low. What the idea is just to take like 512 into 508, 507, just look for that quick break. You want to try it? Let's try it. If it doesn't want to work with me, I'm gonna get annoyed. It needs to go quick if it's gonna go. Like I don't want to get stuck in here and it bounce. Quick scalp break to the downside here under 509. That's the idea, and I don't want to get caught in some bullshit. I want to see it break 509. If it fucks around too much here, I'm not going to stick around. It's a simple catching the momentum, break the low, and maybe pick up some volume on the breakdown. That's the upside of this trade. If not, I'm on to the next one. I'm not going to sit around here as we bounce around 512s, 513s. Added some more. Needs to go now. Got to break 10s here. Got to break 10s here. Break 10s, we're looking for like 507, 506. Take the low out. We reclaim 513 and hold a bid up there. I'm out. I added some more. I'm in 7 now. In 7 off that pivot of 513. I like how we're retesting the low off that rejection. Any day now, any day now. Why can't, wait, you can't trade silver on TPT? Dude, they have it blocked on TPT to mitigate their risk? Did they block it on TPT to mitigate their risk? I did not know that. I mean, suck my fat one. Suck my fat one. Suck my fat one. I don't want much from you, brother. I don't want much from you. I just want 3 more points. Can I get 3 more points? Can you give me 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 3 more points? Damn it. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. You don't want to give me it, huh? You do want to give me it. Oh, you do want to give me 3 more points. Okay, you should have you could have just said that. You could have just said that, damn it. Come on, chat. All right, lock in. We are on the comeback of a generation. Damn it. Come on. Yeah, we can break 500s. Pretty important level there. No matter what, we'll be break even. Hallelujah on the day. Oh, the funded accounts are up quite nicely. We'll just leave both of them on a runner. Come on now. Okay, beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. We love breakout trades over here, man. We love breakout trades. We love breakout trades. When they work with us. When they work with us, we love them. When they don't work with us, we hate them. But yeah, I mean, you've got gold kind of extended on, gold kind of extended to the upside intraday. This structure starting to weaken here. You just get a strong one-sided kind of order flow to the downside, just sellers here. And then, not a great reaction off the low. We get short, look for the liquidity under, and we in and out like a Boy Scout. In and out like a Boy Scout. Let's get it. Can we go 500? We'll leave this to just run and see what happens. Let's go look at NQ now. Ooh, NQ broke the high but didn't get much. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my. That's ugly, man. Shield your eyes. Oh boy. Where are you going, gold? Ooh, that hourly looks horrid. That looks horrid. Good thing we took that. We left that runner to break 500, man. Jeez. You can't see the what? Oh, over here. All right. We up. We up. Come on. Let's go, man. All right. I'm up $500 on my Tradeify live account, my 3 funded next accounts, and my 5 Lucid accounts. And last but not least, excuse me, Top Step is somehow always lagging at 80 bucks. I don't know. Top Step just does not do as like it's the same trade. I think it was the same position. Like everything's the same. Although I took a couple red trades out of the open on or as soon as the stream started on Top Step, but still, it just does not seem to perform as well. I don't know why. Like I know I'm taking kind of different trades, but still, it just doesn't do as well. Call today. Maybe we should. Maybe we should. If you had to pull my thumb, I would look for a dip buy on NQ at some point in here. But we got a nice little trade on gold. I think that was amazing. We caught that short. Covered a lot in the 506s. Oh, we covered a lot like really high, but it is what it is. We could have done a lot better on that. I didn't know we were going to dump so hard though. It's kind of fun to trade gold. Maybe we should trade gold more, because whenever I have traded it, I've caught some pretty decent moves on it. Damn, dude, hold on. Gold is like... That's a lot of selling on gold there. A lot. Gold at VWAP, yeah, but with a lot of selling behind it. You're right, it is at VWAP, but it has a shit ton of selling. Good call, though. At VWAP, see what happens at VWAP. That was a big dump. Some nice buying off VWAP, though. Up 5 points. 6 points. Jeez. I don't think there was news. It just broke structure and decided to pick up some volume. Sellers stepped in heavy on it. NQ's still pushing higher. Not breaking away, but we are just crawling higher. Might take a stab on gold. If you like it, Trust your process. Ugh, my eyes are like so itchy. So the mic's better, chat. Okay, good. Mic is better, it sounds like. I'm not going to mess with the settings. Big dump on NQ. Not big dump at 10 points. Just seems a little difficult to get long and like hold it with how weak it is through the highs. Like, you're breaking the highs and then seeing pretty ugly pullbacks. It's hard to get in there and trust it. Late stream, how you doing? Pretty good, man. Started off really red. I tell you what. And it was crazy because I was only trying to dip my toes in the water. I came live about here, started to try to look for some dip buys on NQ, just kept getting chopped. 5 or 6 micros at a time. Ended up down about 500. Made all of it back on this gold sell through 510. As we saw an aggressive, kind of an aggressive push back into the low. I got short, built a position. I like this pivot back off of 513. I added there. Scaled out, had one left, scaled out there. Could have done way better on the exits in hindsight, but that was a kind of an outlier move. That's a big dump on gold on a Friday. I didn't expect it to go so damn low. Mic should be better now. It's annoying, but we should be good. Yeah, I just have to unplug and plug it back in. It's so annoying. I already know what to do to fix it. All right, look at gold here. Oh wow, some little bit of volatility. Okay, it's near top of the hour. That's why. You're talking about the lines here. Honestly, these aren't that important. This is kind of, I just kind of throw lines up if I'm like, okay, buy off of this level would be good. But I mean, they have a high turnover. I'm like always putting lines up and taking them down. They don't have a ton of significance. Pretty yucky pullback here on NQ. You made 50k express off 12 silver mini. You should not be able to hold. You should not be able to use 12 minis on a 50k. Yeah, I agree with you. We're in the middle of the range, Willis. This is a decent spot to maybe look up an NQ long, but you know what I don't like so much about it? I think if it was any other level, I wouldn't really care, but I don't like how it's at the 900 flats. I don't know if it's just like a what's the word for it? I just have trouble trusting we're not going to wick under it real quick and reclaim it. I don't like us at 900 flats. I know that sounds crazy. I don't know what the word is I'm looking for. I know that sounds a little stupid, but it's true. Sometimes I mean, it's just like when you're looking for support off of like a whole level like that, usually it's like we can wig 90s, reclaim 900s, and then be good. But plus, we're testing it a lot. We keep testing 900s, not really seeing buying back off of it. 915 rejected off of it. 921. You can trade up to 25 minis on a 50k. There's no way. You talking about micros? Yo, what's good, Clip? I look at ES every once in a while. ES is just like right under the all-time highs. In fact, ES could be a better entry long than NQ maybe. If the funded account's not made to trade minis, that's true. But some people do. I think the ones with the consistency rules and stuff like that are more like just be consistent, trade small size. But there's a couple ones like the MyFunded Futures Pro accounts. If you're trying to get a 100K payout, no consistency rule, take your shot, man. You need to go trade some silver minis. All right, people are doing it. Shit, maybe I should try it. Maybe I should try it. Maybe I should get a MyFunded Futures Pro account and try to trade a silver mini on stream and see what you can just hit big. See if we can hit big with like a sniper. But we'll probably end up blowing it is the issue. Is if you can hit it, if you can hit a silver with 5 minis on a MFF Pro account, make 30 or 40K, you can take that out after 14 days. The 14 days to pay out, I think they expect people are going to blow it because they won't stay disciplined for the rest of the time. But you can get 200K payout. All right, we might break 900s here. It's just the structure's starting to weaken up a little bit. We have a lot of orders under 900s. It's looking top heavy. Where do we buy the dip? There goes 900. Really one-sided right here. A lot of sellers through the 890s. Really one-sided. Everybody said they caught that short? Really? I guess there was an opportunity there through the 900s for like 5 points. Yeah, these days, man, are just so difficult when it's like, it seems like such an obvious dip buying day. Just cutting you up. Didn't catch shit. Yeah, I don't know. Everybody's just talking about like they were in a trade for a second. What'd y'all catch? Yeah, this is really one-sided order flow to the downside. It's just a lot of selling, testing 886. You not trade mornings? I do, man, I do. I just woke up late, that's all. I woke up late. Chat, what should we do? Okay, so we're green on my funded accounts and my TradeFi Live and my Top Step Live, right? Should I get some TPT accounts and try to get it going? Should I get it halfway past? Because I want some, man. Is it true that does anybody have TPT accounts right now? Can somebody confirm if you can trade silver on TPT? Even gold would be fine. But somebody had said you can't trade silver. Trade day's better. Why trade day? Trade day's okay. I've never gotten a payout from them. We could, like, I can reset one right now because I had it blown. I can reset it and try to get it passed, just one at a time. I do better passing evals one at a time than copy trading, I'm gonna be honest. You can't trade silver? Okay, wow. You can probably trade gold though. Maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll do that for the next hour or two. It's Friday. It's NFP day. We're green on the accounts that matter. Let's do it. I'm gonna reset my TBT account just one at a time. One at a time. If we pass one, I'll reset another one. Give me a sec. All right, let's reset this biatch. Because I'm a dumbass and I blew it. See if we can get it passed. If you're jobless, would you still spend money on prop firms? Where are you getting money to spend on prop firms if you're jobless? How does that work? Okay, dude. Wait, let's pass. Let's pass this. Let's pass this shit. All right, we need $4,500 of profit. Size suggestion. What should we be using here? What do we think? 8 minis, 9 minis? 15 seems a little bit like overkill. All right, we got a TBT eval loaded up. 150K. Let's go. I want to get it halfway. Gold. You think we can break under this 886 equal low on NQ here? We're going to be real patient. Consistency is 33% on what? On trade day, I think, but not on wash your headphones. Chill, bro. I don't even know how you would wash. Yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. Oh, this kind of looks like a little. Oh, dude, this might be risky. The price action here, like, you're not seeing a lot of buying off of this low on the retest. It's stuck in a really tight range. I don't know if I want to try to scalp it under 86. What do we think? $893 just got shot in the kneecap. We need, oh man, if we get 10 points at a time with like 10 minis, just 10 points quickly. Y'all can see? Okay, hold on. We need 3K right here on a break of 86. All right, I'm short 10 minis. See profit, take profit. Let's get green like 2,000 bucks right here. Break 86. Break 86. We're stalling. We're stalling. Damn, we're back up. Come on. Shit, man. We came down and tested it. That's not good. That's not good. When do I bail? When do I bail? When do I bail? Fuck. Oh. Come on, man. Let's go. Let me get this past. Let me get this past. We're getting sticky right here. Just break 86. Break 86. Do I need to watch it on the damn... Shit. 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 Oh boy. When do I bail on this? When do we bail on this, man? We're back to 92. We got to go right here, man. Wait, let's size in. We confirmed rejection at 96. Let's size in. We're at 15. We need it now. We need it now, damn it. Come on. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Gotta break it. Damn, we're back up. Bro. It does not want to give up these 4 points. I think if we get back to like 95, I should bail because we'll probably see it above 900 again. Okay. Don't get my hopes up. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god, we keep leaving wicks, but we're not breaking it. Dude. You're joking. Come on, come on. Oh my god, you have to break. How are we still here? How are we still here? We're in the tightest 5-point range ever. 5 points. Go, you SOB. Yeah. I can tell, like, I can't read. It's like much more difficult to read this delayed data on this. That's why you keep seeing me toggle over here to like Project X. It's just easier to read. Chat, we got to go, man. I could have locked in $500 5 times and had this shit passed already. This is brutal. This is brutal. We might be cooked. We might be cooked. Oh, we might be... Wait, it's getting volatile. Just take this low, man. Take the low. Do a liquidity sweep. Do whatever you want after the liquidity sweep. But let's take the lows. This range is insane. The fact that we're holding this. Just wick under it. Wick under it. That's all I need. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, hold on. Hold on now. Come on, 88. There's no way there's this much volatility compressed into like an 8-point range. I refuse to believe it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Bruh. No way. What are we doing? Do I just close this? This is not looking good, man. I cut it. I cut it. I cut it. Shit. I cannot believe how that just... I'm like, what is this range off of the low here? Wait, do I try to get back in? Oh shit, looks good again. I'm gonna get back in. I'm back in. I'm back in on that. Let's see if that'll be the final wick and then we flush 86. Come on. It's only an eval, they said. It's only an eval. If we hold 86 right here, I'm gonna flip out. Come on. You think I can get out at 87, 86 and get back in at 90? I actually can't believe this. Here we go, 87's. First time we've seen that level. Let's see. Look at this shit. Look at this range on the 1 minute. Look at this. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Play the range. I think I might have to at this point. Seems like, I feel like as soon as I get out, we'll dump it though. I might not even have a chance to get out. Oh boy. People think passing evals are easy until you're trying to trade this. Good night. I just can't believe those lows are holding right now. Can I bail and get back in at 892? Okay. Let's put this order back in at 892. I'm back in. It took like 500 bucks out of it. Let's keep doing that. Shit. Might not work. Might not work. TPT's risk team reviewing how I passed this eval. Reviewing how I passed this eval. Yeah, he's scalped in queue on a 5-minute range of 8 points with 15 minis. Do we want to give this guy his funded or not? Does this guy deserve a Pro Plus? Probably not. Probably not. Fill the full fucking order. I'm over here getting partially filled like it's a live account. Get me out of there. All right, let's go. Come on, we're back to break even, man. Let's go. Give me 891. Oh no, I feel like we're about to break. Should I chase? Okay, I'm short again. We're scalping 3 points with 15 minis, man. Come on, knee slapper. We are scalping 3 points with 15 minis. That's what it's about. That is what it's about. I kind of want to be optimistic that we're going to break, so I want to hold, but I know I probably shouldn't. I feel like we're going to break, though. As soon as I get out, we'll break. I'm abandoning my idea here. How do we not break this? How do we not fit? Like, how? How? Do I get out again? We got to be breaking now. I'm in. I'm in. It's too tight, bro. It's like we just wick it and go back to 900. We could. Oh! Okay, I'm at 151.845. I'm out. Maybe we can get back in. Oh, dude, we are such a degenerate. TPT is going to see that I scalped a 5-point range to get this past. Can I take a little bit off the top on the retracement at 890? Can I get like 84 again? Wait, not past yet? I took a couple L's earlier, so no, it's not past yet. But we're getting there. We just need one more good 15 mini 2-point scalp. Should I dip buy it or short it? Short again? I think so. Let's see if we can get like 892 or 893. Let's get like here. Can we pop that and then kind of get out on the retracement? Damn, I think I should have gotten short there. Let's get short. That might be a mistake. Oh, that might be a mistake. That might be a mistake. Oh no. Okay, we're at 500. Short again. That might be a mistake. That was a mistake. Okay, bro, hold on. Let's go to a fresh market. Okay, let's try to short the gold on the break at 99. Let's see. I'm in 10 minis. We're probably going to either blow it or pass it right here. Uh-oh. 501's not good. I think this might be something we do to end the streams. After we trade the live and the funded accounts, we might just like try to be a degenerate at the end and get an eval passed. Fuck. 501's not good. Wait, I forgot I can go into 5. Let's go into 5. We're very close to blowing up already. If we blow it, we'll just try again Monday. In the grand scheme of things, I've made more money today than the eval cost, so that's good. Come on, gold. Oh, shit. This is not good. This is not good. We got to get under. This is not looking good. Damn, bro. Damn, I might be blowing it. I might be blowing it. I'm not gonna lie. Shit. I think I've got. Yeah, I blew it. Damn it! Son of a bitch. Why does that piss me off so much? It's only $100, but damn. They could not have been more wrong about that. Well, shit. Oh my god. Well, in my defense, that's pretty crazy. I don't know what just happened in the market. The tightest range ever to a 50-point rip. You were tilt trading? Well, yeah. It was just an eval, though. But yeah, that's kind of the idea. Kind of the idea right there. In my defense, though, the market, like, what is this? This is some weird volatility after such a tight range. It's okay. It's just one eval. We'll try again Monday. Look, we just left a wick right under these lows, and then we ran up. Can I try again? I could try again, but I don't know if I should. I think one try a day is fine. One eval YOLO a day. I think we would have had it because I was only trying to scalp a couple points. I think if this crazy volume didn't come into the market for whatever reason, I think we probably would have been okay. Didn't really expect this volatility that just came in. Fade said, take one small trade so that it counts as a day. That's a good idea. That's a good way to think about it. Ooh, ooh. I mean, I could try one more time, I guess. I do really want a TPT account, not gonna lie. I do really want a TPT account. All right, screw it. We'll do one more. Just one more. One more. One more, that's it. Just one more. That's it. After this is it for the day. For the day. Load it up. Run the digits, bro. Run the digits. Let me get another try at it, damn it. Let me get another try at it, man. Right idea, wrong time. How do I do a poll? Okay, let me see. I'll force myself to take whatever direction y'all choose, and then I'll do my best to manage it, whether I think it's good or not. Like, I can only trade one side. How do we do a poll? Oh, here we go. Dude, I don't know how to do it at this point in time. I'll figure that out later. Oh my goodness, look at this. All right, what do we think? Long, short? Size, should we do like 10 minis again? What a rip after that wick under the lows. That's disgusting. Wait for the pullback off this rip and buy. A good idea. Good idea. What if it doesn't pull back? Even gold's going up. Wow. Jump in the long, just jump in, jump in like it's a jump rope. Just jump into 937. Look at, oh, what a fill. What a fill. Oh, that's a disgusting fill. Let's get out, like, let's see if we can get $1,000. Be happy. Wait, maybe we rip. Jump in the line. Y'all said jump in, we jumped in. Let's get 950s. Let's let this pullback not be insane. We can deal with a pullback, just let it be chill. Let the pullback be chill, man. This pullback's not chill. When do we add? I added some. Let's get a break of 950s here. Good call, guys. Get another eval. Good call. Let's get 950s here. '50s. Take this order, please. Take that order if you can. If you take that order, we should be pretty close to passing. Or halfway to passing. Oh shit, I'm frozen. I'm frozen. Like I'm actually freezing. What do I want to do here? We want 53. Come on, 48. Oh shit. I don't know. What do we do? Let it ride? Okay, bet. Let's let it ride. Trust it, dude. Just trust it. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Let her ride. Break even? Oh, I like that idea. I like that idea, man. Why'd I forget about that? For some reason, when I'm running 15 minis, I don't even think about break even. Good idea. 55 should be about passing. Oh, come on. Come on. We were squeezing up. We were going vertical. Why are we going to stop that now? Let's go. No pullbacks. Only up. Well, we might be cooked. CBT's 5 days to pass. That is correct. Oh, nice little open there. I like that little flick of the wrist. Oh, look, look. Oh, oh, oh. Yes, sir. We're halfway there. I actually need just a little bit more out of you. This might be a mistake. I need like 400 more bucks. I genuinely need 400. Okay, hold on. Shit. I needed 400 more bucks. Come on, come on, come on. Keep pushing. I'm not going to let this get insane, but I did need 4 more bucks. We took 4K out of that. I need 400 more bucks. I need 4,500, not 4,100. No! You could average down. Oh yeah, let's average down and then average down some more. And then average down some more and then give all the give all the profits back. Let's break this high and get my 400 bucks. Call it a day. Halfway to pass into TPT eval. Good call, whoever said, everybody said try again. Good call, good call. If you blow one eval, try again on another eval, man. It's that simple. It's that simple. I'm gonna need $400 exactly. I can always make that money back. Yeah, $200. I'll make that in one of the flip days. Woo! Didn't take you as a full port trader, even though it's an eval. Well, we're trying to get him past. I mean, if I'm just copy trading one, I'm not going to full port. You know, if I'm just trading one, I'll full port. If I'm copy trading, I'm not going to full port. It's too expensive to full port. That's a sick, sick move, man. Out of just some real shit. Like, it went from a 0 to 100 really quick. There was no, I mean, there was just no buying here. And then all of a sudden, we leave a wick under here and we just go vertically. That's actually insane. They really do a good job of screwing you on that. But at least we caught some of that squeeze. All right, guys. I think that's probably pretty good. We're up on the fundeds. I'm up on my Top Step account. Not a lot, but that seems to be a theme. Whenever I'm trying to trade it with my other accounts, it just kind of gets the shit into the stick. Just does not seem to be up as much as the others sometimes. Which is fine, whatever. But yeah, that's a sitch. Up 80 on that. Up 4,500 across Tradeify and 8 different funded accounts. And got a TPT eval halfway past. Which I'll add that to my trade seeker here in a second. I'll add it to my trade seeker and we can see it. Get that, we got that account and then we can add it. I'll add it right now, then I'll show y'all. Then we'll call it a day. Appreciate y'all pulling up to the stream, man, on a Friday, even though I got on a little bit late. Y'all are the real ones. Let me connect this account. Today's the highest day in terms of P&L for me. Sick, man. Good job. I think we're going to start doing that at the end of the stream. After we've traded the fundeds and stuff, if we are green on the fundeds in the live account as a reward to myself, we will kind of degen trade an eval at the end of the day. That's what we'll do. All right, so here's the new cockpit. There's the Take Profit Trader account. That now is going to be added to our collection. Right? I'm not going to hit the copy trader on it, but I will keep it in here so that we can keep score of it. Every day at the end of the trading session, this is a new thing we're going to do. I'm going to, you know, firm of chat's choice, we'll get an eval and try to get it, you know, just try to pass it, I guess. Try to get it halfway past. Yes, sir. I appreciate y'all, man. Having said that, I'm going to go call it an early Friday. I hope that you guys had a good trading day. I hope that y'all made some money today. If not, enjoy your weekend. Still got next week. And name of the game is just surviving. I think my mouse just died, which is really awkward because now I can't end the stream. Shit. My mouse did just die, and I cannot end the stream now. So we're stuck with each other for a couple of minutes till I find the cord. This is interesting. 1 second. Awkward. Trying to get out of here, then my mouse died. I have no way to end the stream. Does this work? It's a USB-C. Oh no, it's an HDMI mini. Hold on. Just turn the computer off. That's funny. That's funny. Turn the computer off. Oh my god, imagine, yeah, no, imagine I was in a trade. That would suck. All right, we're back up. I got my mouse on. Okay, man, God bless y'all. I appreciate y'all hanging out in the stream. It means a lot to me. Every single day y'all come in here and hang out. If y'all want to load up on any evals going into next week to come trade live with me, use code BPC on all of those down there. My Futures, TPT, Tradeify. Still a couple decent sells. Apex is now down to the 80%, but the resets are still pretty cheap. $30 resets. So if y'all want to do that, go for it. Load them up. Having said that, we will be back on Monday live trading again at the New York Open. I appreciate y'all every single day hanging out.